the Google Pixel 10a is already getting a lot of attention, mainly because many people are wondering about one thing: will the Pixel 10a be more expensive than the Pixel 9a? With leaks, reports, and the recent decisions Google has made with its flagship phones, a clearer picture is starting to form. The Pixel A series has always been popular for one major reason: it provides the Pixel experience at a more affordable price. Over the years, Google has managed to keep the A series price steady. The Pixel AA and Pixel 9a launched at the same starting price, which created a pattern that many expect Google to continue. Looking back at the previous Pixel budget phones, the launch price rarely changes. This history suggests that the Pixel 10a could also start at $499, the same price as the Pixel 9a. That sounds reassuring, but only if Google doesn't make major hardware changes that would force a higher cost. So far, the leaks suggest that the Pixel 10a might actually avoid those expensive upgrades. One of the biggest clues comes from the processor. The main Pixel 10 series uses Google's brand new Tensor G5 chip, but reports say the Pixel 10a will continue with the older Tensor G4, the same chip from last year. Many tech fans may not like this decision because it means the Pixel 10a will not get Google's newest AI features or performance improvements. However, this move makes sense if Google wants to keep the price stable. New chips cost more, and smartphone manufacturers across the world are dealing with rising component prices. By sticking to an older processor, Google may be trying to avoid increasing the cost of its most affordable phone. Another interesting detail is the pricing trend of the main Pixel flagship series. Over the last few years, the flagship Pixels kept getting slightly more expensive. But this year, the Pixel 10 broke that pattern by keeping the same starting price as the Pixel 9. If Google managed to hold the price steady with a flagship phone, then the Pixel 10a might follow the same strategy. Still, there is a possibility that the pattern flips this time. The Pixel 10 might hold its price, while the Pixel 10a could jump to a higher starting cost. Nothing is confirmed yet, but the leaks so far suggest Google is trying to avoid that move. Design is another factor that points towards stable pricing. Reports claim that the Pixel 10a will keep the same design as the Pixel 9a. No major design changes usually mean lower production costs. Google may also be able to reuse the same chassis or even get it at a cheaper manufacturing price now. Using the same design again is a strong sign that Google is trying to avoid costs that could trigger a price hike. Storage technology adds another piece to the puzzle. The Pixel 10 series has moved to US 4.0, which brings faster performance and better efficiency. But the Pixel 10a is expected to stay on UFS 3.1, the same storage technology used in the Pixel 9a. For most users, this difference won't be noticeable in daily use, but for Google, this helps keep production costs down. And when costs remain low, the price is more likely to stay at $499. However, one major detail could change everything. If Google decides to remove the 128GB storage option, the Pixel 10a might start at a higher price. This is exactly what happened with the iPhone 17, where removing the lowest storage variant pushed the starting price up. If Google repeats this move, the Pixel 10a could follow the same path. For now, the strongest signs point toward the Pixel 10a keeping the same price. An older chip, older storage tech, and the same design all signal that Google is avoiding extra expenses. But if storage options change or a surprise upgrade appears, a price hike could still happen. As leaks continue to come out in the coming months, a clearer picture will form. But based on everything known so far, the Pixel 10a seems likely to target that familiar $4099 starting point, keeping the A series reputation alive for another generation.